Good afternoon, everybody. I am student meteorologist Justin Williams here to give you your North Georgia weather forecast. Let's take a look behind me here. You can see we have Jupiter up here in the background, and we also have the moon as well. We have Athens, 73 degrees is what we're sitting at right now. But as we go into the night, those temperatures will be decreasing on into the 60s. 62 degrees is what we're sitting at right now. Cloudy skies as we go into the earlier part of tomorrow. A lot of rain's going to be moving in as well. Let's take you through it. The forecast map right now, a couple showers and partly cloudy skies is what we're sitting at right now. As we go into overnight, clouds are going to be returning. A couple showers here and there, especially in the northeastern part of North Georgia. But then by 8 a.m. prime commute time, Metro Atlanta is going to be seeing a fair amount of rain. A couple sprinkles, a couple showers going to be likely from the Metro Atlanta area. But we also have a couple of these storms starting to flare up here. They're going to be really flaring up as we go into the afternoon hours here. A couple thunderstorms up here in northwest Georgia will be likely. Maybe even a few right around Metro Atlanta as well. But these down here from Columbus to Macon, that is what we're going to be worried about as we go into tomorrow, Wednesday, tomorrow into the late afternoon. You can see they're really starting to flare up towards the later part of Wednesday here, all the way from Columbus down into Columbia. This is where the heaviest thunderstorms and rainfall will be occurring tomorrow. We're still going to be seeing a healthy amount of rainfall over here in North Georgia. Let's take you through it. So as you guys can see, anywhere from half an inch to maybe even an inch and a half, near in 2 inches in some places, localized areas, especially if you guys see a thunderstorm here and there, you guys could be seeing 2 inches of rain, but most of that rain will be towards our south and southeast. You can see Macon down here, they're knocking on the door of 6 inches down there. And as we go into South Carolina near Augusta and Columbia, 7+ inches is expected down there. This is most likely going to be causing catastrophic amounts of flooding all the way from Macon into Columbia into South Carolina. So please be on the lookout. This is a very similar setup to what we saw with Helene, except it is a little bit to the further south here. So that mountain effect, mudslides and stuff like that is not going to be as serious, but we're still going to be seeing plenty of flooding here. River flooding as well is going to be a concern. So please be on the lookout. Please be prepared for this system. It is no joke. As we go into Tropical Storm Raphael, this is where all that rain is coming from. Even though it's pretty far south, it's actually sending a lot of moisture towards the north, and that's where all that rain is coming from tomorrow. Right now, it is sitting at 70 miles per hour, but as we go into overnight here, go to the next couple days, it will be strengthening into a hurricane and knocking on the door to become a Category 2 hurricane. But this model is tending for it to not get too powerful here, just really a high Category 1, and then starting to actually decrease in intensity as it makes its way towards landfall of the United States here. This is really a big cone of uncertainty, so we're really not sure how this is going to play out yet, but we do know that it is going to be strengthening into a hurricane, and it will be making its way towards the United States, the Gulf of Mexico region throughout this week. We will keep you updated on anything that changes here. This will most likely be changing in terms of intensity in the forecast track, so we will be keeping you updated. Do not worry. As we go into your tomorrow's high, though, we will be seeing plenty of thunderstorms, plenty of showers for much of the North Georgia area here. It's going to be keeping us in the low 70s in terms of temperatures. Plenty of clouds out there as well. As we go into your 7-day, that is going to be your story. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we get a little bit of a break, especially for the big football day on Saturday. But then Sunday, clouds and storms are going to be back, bringing us plenty of showers, as well as starting for the start of next week. We're going to be seeing a couple showers on Sunday, 60s, and then we're going to be seeing a return into the 70s on Monday, Tuesday. It's going to be pretty modest weather with plenty of rain in sight for the next 7 days. We'll keep you updated, though. I am student meteorologist Justin Williams. Have a good day and go Dogs.